Hi, my name's Josh Burnt from a company called Action Corrosion. Today we're here to speak about our product VaporGuard. Now, VaporGuard's been used for 5 years on protecting televisions, computers, stereos and in the air conditioning industry. It's primarily a corrosion inhibitor, but it's also a cleaner. It will clean dirt and grime off terminals, but it'll also put a protective layer on those terminals. VaporGuard is excellent for maintaining your Apple products. Generally, Apple products are a sealed unit. They're very well made, but they do have a number of ports where leads have to be plugged in. Now, with the Apple iPhone, in particular, it's stored in pockets a lot of the time, so you get dirt and grime which is in your pocket, which may go inside the charging port and all that, also the earpiece port. Also, with phones, because they can play music, people put the earplugs in, they tend to sweat, and your sweat can run down the phone, over the phone, and can cause some internal corrosion. So VaporGuard is about maintaining this phone so it works at its optimum level and keeps all your ports nice and clean. The phone we're going to treat today is an iPhone 4S. Now, the first step is to turn the phone off. The earphone port and the charging port at the base are the two areas that we are going to clean and protect. First, we're going to treat the charging and headphone leads. It's very important that these are kept clean, as they are regularly pushed into the phone and can transfer grime and surface corrosion. After spraying the leads, spray the VaporGuard onto a soft toothbrush and lightly clean the charging port, which is located at the base of the phone. Now that the lead ends are clean, it's time to treat the phone ports. Spray VaporGuard on the lead ends and insert into the phone, and give them a small jiggle. This will break up any grime or surface corrosion. Pull the lead out and wipe clean. Reapply VaporGuard and insert again, this time leaving it in for 15 minutes. Repeat the same exercise for both leads. So the role that VaporGuard plays in corrosion protection in these iPhones is very important, because generally there's no warranty for internal corrosion. On behalf of Action Corrosion, we'd like to thank you for your time. We hope that this instructional video is helpful in maintaining your iPhone products. If you've got any further questions or require any further information, you can go to our website www.actioncorrosion.com.au.